Moringa, also known as the drumstick tree, is a tree native to parts of Africa and Asia. It is often referred to as a superfood due to its rich nutrient content. Moringa is commonly grown in home gardens and can reach heights of 15 to 30 feet. It is versatile and can be used in various forms, including as a powder, juice, or oil. Moringa is known for its potential health benefits, including aiding in weight loss. It is rich in nutrients like vitamins, minerals, proteins, and fiber, which can support weight management. However, it's essential to consume moringa in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. To use moringa for weight loss, you can incorporate it into your daily routine in the following ways. Moringa powder. Add a small amount of moringa powder to your meals. You can mix it into soups, salads, or smoothies for a nutritious boost. Moringa juice. Drink moringa juice daily. You can find commercially prepared moringa juice or make your own by blending fresh moringa leaves with water. Moringa oil. Use moringa oil for cooking or as a supplement. It is high in antioxidants and can support overall health. Moringa leaves. Incorporate fresh moringa leaves into your meals. They can be used in salads, stir-fries, or soups. Moringa capsules. Take moringa capsules as a dietary supplement. Be sure to follow the recommended dosage on the label. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional before adding moringa to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. They can provide personalized guidance based on your individual needs. Overall, moringa can be a valuable addition to a weight loss plan when consumed as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. However, it's essential to consume it in moderation and be mindful of potential side effects. In conclusion, moringa is a versatile and nutrient-rich plant that has been used for centuries for its potential health benefits. It can support weight loss when consumed as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before adding moringa to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Thank you for watching this video on moringa and its potential benefits for weight loss. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos on health and wellness.